Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Dubey from JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am going to tell you about the duties and responsibilities of Seed Inspector. Under the provision given in Section 13 of Seed Act 1966 or Clause 12 of Seed Control Order 1983, the state government may by notification in the official gazette appoint seed inspectors and may, in such notification, define the local area within which each such inspector shall exercise his jurisdiction. Now, the next is qualifications of inspector. So, the first one is seed inspector must have a huge level of integrity, initiative, and above all, pleasing manners. He should be tactful, discreet, fair, friendly, and firm when firmness is needed in dealing with people. The second one is he must have no financial interest in the seed industry. Next is he must be totally dedicated to the seed quality, control in seed market, and healthy growth and development of the industry. The inspector must be a well trained person and knowledgeable in the following aspects of his duties: clear cut understanding about the provision in the Seed Act, seed rules, and seed control order, etc., and all notifications relevant to his religion. The next point is knowledge of the kinds and varieties notified for his region, through with the seed standards and the minimum limits prescribed for different crops in Indian minimum seed certification standards. Ability to identify agricultural and horticultural seeds, objectionable and harmful weed seeds, and other common weed seeds, and varieties of agricultural and horticulture seeds that can be identified readily. With the principles and procedures of seed sampling, division, and submission of samples, and knowledge of seed testing laboratory procedures and reports. Now, next come to purity tolerances. These tolerances are suitable for comparing purity results on duplicate samples from the same submitted sample analyzed by the same laboratory. These can be used for any component of the purity test. Tolerances in this table are based on a two-sided test at the 5% significance level. So let us take the example. First is purity test on two half working samples from the same submitted sample of X were made in the same laboratory. So the first result is 97.0%. The second result is 98.4% and the average is 97.7%. If we talk about difference, then it is 1.4% and the tolerated difference is 1.63 for chaffy seeds, and the decision will be the two results are compatible. Now next is duties of inspector. So the first one is inspect places used for the growing, storage or sale of any seed of any notified crop variety. Initiate an investigation into any written complaint he receives alleging violations of the acts or rules provisions. Satisfy himself that the condition of the certificate's labels are being detected. Next one is keep records of all inspections and actions he taken when performing his duties. When approved by the state government to detain imported containers that he has reason to suspect contain seeds that are forbidden from being imported, excluding and in accordance with the acts and rules provisions. They perform such other duties as may be delivered to him by the competent authority from time to time. Now we will talk about the powers of seed inspector. So here we start. The first one is to collect samples of seed of any notified kind, variety from a person selling such seed or buyer, and to send such samples for analysis to the seed testing laboratory reported for the area, to interrogate and search at all reasonable times with any assistance he deemed necessary. Next is to inspect and seize any record, register, paper or other material object located in any of the locations mentioned in clause 2. On demand, the person from whom the seed is taken must pay the cost of the seed calculated at the rate at which such seed is normally sold to the general public. Now this is the form which is generally filled by the seed inspector. In this form, the details of the seized materials are written. So here I completed my presentation. Thank you so much.